Right now, a silent war is being fought in the factories of Texas, the labs of California, and the assembly lines of Germany. It's a triple threat battle between three titans: Tesla, Figure AI, and Boston Dynamics. Each represents a different philosophy of what the future of labor looks like. One wants to build a robot for every home, one wants to give robots a human brain, and the other wants to build a machine that outperforms human biology entirely. Today, we're peeling back the layers of the 2026 robot war. We'll analyze the tech, the deployment, and the ultimate winner. Who is truly leading the race, and what does it mean for your future? Let's get into it. When Elon Musk first stood next to a man in a spandex suit in 2021, the world rolled its eyes. But Musk is playing a game that few understand, the game of scale. By early 2026, Tesla has done what no one thought possible. They've turned the Optimus project into a mass production machine. The secret isn't just the hardware, it's the Dujo supercomputer. You see, while other companies are trying to program a robot to pick up a box, Tesla is letting the robot watch thousands of hours of video from their car factories. This is the neural network approach. Optimus Gen 3 doesn't just follow a script, it understands the physics of the world around it using the same vision-based AI that drives Tesla cars. The real game changer this year? The tactile actuators in the fingertips. These aren't just motors, they are sensors that can feel pressure and texture. This allows Optimus to handle a fragile egg or a heavy power tool with the same level of confidence. At a target price of $30,000, Tesla isn't just selling a robot, they are selling a solution to the global labor shortage. But the question remains, can a mass-produced, affordable robot truly handle the complexity of a human home? If Tesla is focused on the body, Figure AI is obsessed with the mind. This is where the Silicon Valley Dream Team lives. Backed by the massive computing power of Microsoft and the linguistic genius of OpenAI, the Figure 03 model is doing things that look like pure magic. In 2026, Figure 03 achieved what we call zero-shot learning. This means you can show the robot a task it has never seen before, like fixing a jammed printer or making a complex latte, and it can reason its way through the process. It uses a custom large language model to understand context. If you tell it, "I'm running late for a meeting," it doesn't just stand there. It identifies your briefcase, checks if your laptop is inside, and brings it to you. The deployment at BMW's Spartanburg plant has proven that Figure 03 isn't just a demo. It's a worker that can communicate. It can talk to its human supervisors, explain its logic, and even warn them if it detects a mechanical fault in the assembly line. It's not just a tool, it's a collaborator. Then, we have the veterans. While everyone else was busy with AI models, Boston Dynamics was mastering the physical world. Their move to the electric Atlas in 2026 marks the end of the hydraulic era and the beginning of superhuman robotics. Look closely at how the new Atlas moves. It doesn't move like a human, it moves like something better. Its joints have a 360-degree range of motion, meaning it never has to turn around. It simply rotates its torso and walks in the opposite direction. This efficiency is vital in cramped warehouses where every second counts. Combined with autonomous battery swapping, the electric Atlas is the first humanoid that can truly work a 24-hour shift without human intervention. In partnership with Hyundai and Google DeepMind, they have created a visual motor system that allows Atlas to navigate environments so chaotic that even a human would struggle. If the job is dangerous, heavy, or physically demanding, Atlas has no competition. We are standing at a crossroads. The humanoid war isn't just about which company makes more money. It's about the first time in history that human intelligence is no longer the only intelligence capable of physical labor. Whether you find this future exciting or deeply unsettling, one thing is certain: the world of work is changing forever. At AG Grid Lab, we'll be here to track every breakthrough, every update, and every challenge in this new era of robotics. But I want to hear your voice. If you had to pick one of these three to be your assistant, Tesla, Figure, or Boston Dynamics, which one would you choose and why? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you understand the current state of the robot race. Subscribe and hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching AIG Grid Lab. See you in the future.